Hello guys, welcome back to my daily portfolio update. My name is Fernando Herrera, and pretty much this is my Fidelity account series where I deposit $1,000 every month for pretty much the last 7 months, and I share my buys and sells with you guys. Now today let me go over the indices. The indices this start with a drop. Specifically the one that's being hit the most hard is the Nasdaq. As you guys can see, it's actually 200 points down, almost 1.47% down at the time of doing this video. However, I do see a little bit of a rebound for the rest of the day, so we might see that kind of just jumping back up a little bit more. Now, in terms of our biggest gainers and losers, today we have Disney, Ford, and JP Morgan with our best performers or best gainers. And then we have Plug, DocuSign, and Planet 13 with being our biggest losers. Now, before we start into our Ford analysis, which is today's topic, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you so much. I now have 205 subscribers. So it's amazing. These past 7 months has been a lot of fun, and I do appreciate everybody supporting the channel. Now, today let's talk about Ford. Now, Ford, I've been carrying up or pretty much bringing up Ford for quite some time. We initiated a position on Ford when it was $7, and I've been recommending Ford to buy. My price target is currently 13. However, I do believe that the Ford company is going to be is being led very well by Jim Farley, which is the new CEO. They've been able to pretty much invest and transform the company, or at least give the audience and the market the expectation that Ford is heavily investing into EV and into an electric vehicle market. Now, a lot of automakers are just hesitant to move fully into the EV or into electric vehicles, but Ford is actually embracing it. So they've actually, in a way, admitted that Tesla has started, an advantage. However, they are tired and they're not going to be staying back. So again, Ford has been pledging billions of dollars into electric vehicles. They've been initiating their commercial electric vehicle transit fleets. And so I do believe that whoever touches that commercial fleet kind of, transit electric market is really going to take the next competitive edge, because the commercial fleet is definitely, just another whole market. Not to mention, they also have the Mach-E, which is already an electric vehicle. And I do feel that the people are just not giving Ford enough credit for their efforts into trying to get the company as a leader into the EV world. So right now the stock has been still relatively low, still volatile, because you could have bought this stock for $4 April of last year, and now it's already almost $12. However, it's still not too late to buy in, guys. I do think Ford will be reaching $20. I don't know when, but definitely with all these changes that they're doing and all the things that they've consistently been implying, very soon they're going to have more chargers. Very soon they're going to be able to have more partnerships. They still have that stake at Rivian, which is also partnered with Amazon and their delivery trucks, and Amazon is growing. It's a huge company. So there's just a lot of potential for Ford. Not to mention, they're a company that like to provide a dividend payout. Right now they do have a 1.7% dividend, but pre-pandemic they actually had a 7% dividend yield. So definitely something that you want to kind of get into. Now, with that being said, guys, I do want to also talk a little bit about our stock, Planet 13. Planet 13, we have a 25% return so far. However, this stock has been going down significantly, and I'm not buying. I'm actually going to wait just for the sellers to finish selling, and then I'm probably going to add a little bit more into my position. Same with Plug Energy. Plug got some really good returns for the past 3 months, and now, kind of that wave is over. Not really sure if it's going to continue, but for now we're just going to ride the wave and kind of let the sellers sell, and then we'll decide if we can increase our position or just lock in some gains. I did have some activity I want to share you guys. I did exit out my complete position out of waste management. I feel like I can allocate those funds elsewhere. I have been buying more of Walmart stock. I might be doing a Walmart video soon about why I'm doing this. And then I'm also pretty much investing more in LIN, which it's kind of like a new company, which again, I'm going to be explaining more perhaps in a video. I did get a 19-cent dividend from Costco, so that you have to keep in mind. And now overall, our portfolio is quite interesting because it's shifting. Before we had Plug and Planet 13 as our biggest top performers and top gainers, and Tesla. As you guys can see, those stocks are now all in red, still in the top charts, but not in the top chart right now. I'd have JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and SPG, Simon Property. I do think Simon Property still has more room to go, especially because it's a recovery stock. So it's a company that really has a lot of potential for the future. So it's definitely a company I'm excited for and keeping. And then I have a Firm at the very bottom. Firm is a financing company, but this is a new position, so it's long term, probably 2 to 5 years. Now I do also want to go over briefly my Webull portfolio. If you don't know what Webull is, it's also a brokerage account and you could trade cryptocurrency. So today Bitcoin is at 53,000 and we do have roughly around $120 in profit. So if you guys are interested in trading into cryptocurrencies through Webull, please hit that link button, I guess, in the description. There will be a bonus where you guys could win 2 free shares. And I mean, you could get started in trading shares and cryptocurrencies. So with that being said, guys, I think that completes the video for today. I do appreciate all the time and support you guys offer. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think about Ford stock. And again, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so we could follow through all my other stock activity. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys again on Wednesday. Peace.